But and I don't know what it's called, but I think it's supposed to be. How about you guys? Think about name for it. Can you think name for it? What should we call it? Okay. Move. So guys, I'm gonna be putting water inside this container. Oh no. Is this swimming or not? This is funny. Oh no, he's here. Okay, I get water. My sisters, but I'm not going actually. That would be super bad idea. How long did they continue? It's not that I put a second. Oh my god. I don't wanna know, but I do it. I will keep my piece in here. So, like and subscribe for part 2. Okay? Automatically, the picture will be there. Now, build. Hit part 2 and subscribe. Bye. See ya.